Within the bustling heartbeat of Ghana's Middle Belt lies Kumasi, the vibrant and industrious second-largest city in Ghana. The TransforME Project,
organized by Asustem Robotics and fully funded by Lenovo Global,
setting its sights on this bustling city, drew participants not only from Kumasi, but also from various corners of the country.
I'm Martin Kusi. I'm an alumnus of University of Cape Coast.
Sosei Novelta, a student of the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Mami Yaichan also. I'm a teacher at JIT Institute.
Gloria Imo, and I'm here University alumni.
From University of Energy and Natural Resources.
A computer science student at University of Cape Coast, that UCC.
A student of Kumasi Technical Institute.
Kumasi saw an influx of students and young graduates eager to dive into the world of STEM.
I'm an MBA student and I heard about the program from a friend.
Since the beginning from Koforidua, a friend introduced it to me and I've been tracking all along.
This edition, held at the esteemed Nana Afia KS Ampem II Library, unveiled a mosaic of groundbreaking initiatives, many born out of sheer ingenuity.
I chose cybersecurity as a program of interest because I want to be a security analyst.
I'm an electronics student of Kumasi Technical Institute. I want to gain more knowledge about it.
I realized that even though I'm schooling, I need to get 1 or 2 touch-ups to what I'm doing right now.
I wanted to know more about ChatGPT and all these emerging AI platforms.
I wanted to improve my knowledge in IT, but also I want to go into that field. I wanted to major in cybersecurity, and I saw this as a stepping stone for me to venture into my career.
In Kumasi, a wave of youthful energy infused the TransforME program, evident in the plethora of ingenious projects unveiled during the graduation ceremony.
I'm a UI, UX developer, designer, and I saw it as an opportunity to transform some of my codes, my designs, into an actual or real-world project.
So as an MBA student, my career goal is to become a financial analyst and consultant. And as we know, in today's world, data is constantly being produced and we need people who can analyze this data and give meaningful insights into it. So I believe the data analytics program is going to enable me to further my career as a financial analyst, that I can make use of data and make meaningful financial decisions with it.
Participants, many without prior backgrounds in their selected subjects, showcased an array of inventive ideas that reflected the needs of their community.
And I'm a student of KSTU.
I didn't know there's something called HTML, seriously if I say it, and something called CSS, which is cascading style sheets. After doing this course, I thought someone who doesn't have a clue like me will come and do this kind of program. But thank God, now I know how to do coding using the HTML and CSS.
Before I joined this program, I knew nothing about ICT because I did mathematics. But through this program, I was able to learn how to code using Python, and I can do a whole lot of stuff. There are many projects that we embark on. We did a project on gun detection, of which I know it will be of very, very beneficial to humanity.
From the Start Home Smart Home projects, which is technology into homes, to the automatic water pump controller addressing water management challenges, each project held a promise of practical solutions for everyday life in Kumasi.
For my project, I worked on password security analyzer. So I related the similarities between password security and why it's even important in cybersecurity. So I also saw how strong that, how important it is for anyone to have a strong password because of emerging of a lot of hackers. So most people go into cracking other people's passwords and all that. So how should somebody even go about setting up a password, and why it is important that your password security should be important to you and how it relates to cyber security?
We can see that insecurity is something that is going on of late, but through the Python and through the Asustem, I'm able to learn how to make a project or use Python programming, that is Python, to detect guns in malls and places that involve a whole lot of people entering.
I'm working on a bulk messaging platform which can be controlled by AI, that you can use your voice to send a bulk message to a lot of people at one instance.
Innovations like the Smart Waste Bin, designed to streamline waste management, motion-controlled water and sanitizer dispenser.
Our project was about water and sanitizer dispenser, and the project we made use of ultrasonic sensors and LEDs. And as for the ultrasonic sensors, it helps the water to flow easily.
Hand gesture, controlled computer enhancing security.
It's another project that we also embark on, that you can control your PC or your laptop with just your hand, even without the use of the mouse and that of the keyboard.
And language translation apps, bridging communication gaps.
I'm working on data retail data sales. So it's sales about retail stores, and so we are checking about the quantity they ordered, the product category.
These were just a glimpse into the transformative potential of these ideas.
My final project, or possibly the final project that I chose, was to build a facial intelligence system where we'll be able to register a user by the name and also the face. Then it will register the user on the system. Then in case if the user comes again, it will also take an attendance. And we are able to also print the attendance on the GUI, that's the graphical user interface. And we are also able to store it in a CSV file.
I joined the web development class, and we started with HTML, CSS, then a little bit of JavaScript. Then we move on to no coding, that's the WordPress, designing websites using the WordPress. I had previous knowledge in the technologies, so the ASUSTEM TransforME Project gave me an opportunity to actually practice them to bring a project to life. So yeah, it helped me a lot.
The project I did was a bulk message system. Like in my project, when let's say we did it for companies. When we say companies like the customers, when we have a shortcomings and we want to inform the customers that we are not going to operate today, so the project will send a message to all the customers to inform that this, and because of this reason and that reason we are not coming to work, or because of this we are having a promotion and other kind of stuff. That's what we worked on.
If you have seen any video.
Amidst the compelling projects, ASUSTEM Robotics presented certificates to all participants.
Please clap for him.
And also took a moment during the graduation ceremony to express appreciation and honor to the dedicated coaches and working team. Medals were awarded to individuals who dedicated themselves to nurturing the participants' growth and fostering an environment of learning and innovation.
Wow. Powerful. All right,
As the TransforME journey unfolded in Kumasi, it became evident that innovation knows no bounds. With a focus on addressing community needs, the participants redefined the landscape of possibilities. Their projects not only showcased their technical prowess, but also symbolized a commitment to transforming their city for the better.
So after the training, I plan to continue with what I've learned, and then if possible sign up for some programs or courses that will help me build on what I've already learned.
I would say that this is an opportunity that anybody who gets to see it should jump onto, because in this digital age that we are in now, the tech courses or the STEM courses are what is out there that they need people for. So if anyone gets the chance to maybe be trained or be educated in one of these tech or STEM courses, I think it is a right step in the right direction.
After this training, I hope to have a more in-depth knowledge in the cybersecurity aspect, and I want to be able to start my own cybersecurity career.
I would like to do a self-study to at least further it, because I really want to go into that field to make a career out of it. Maybe I will join a STEM organization to help kids too.
Armed with newfound skills and ignited passion, these young minds are poised to continue their journey, leaving an indelible mark on Kumasi and beyond.